Looking for an AI video editor but cannot decide between Descript and CapCut? While both use AI to speed up editing, they are built for very different users. Here's what you need to know in under 3 minutes. Intro. Descript and CapCut both make video editing easier with AI, but one focuses on professional editing and podcast workflows, while the other is designed for fast social media content. Let's compare them. Ease of use. CapCut is one of the easiest editors available. You can trim videos, add captions, effects, transitions, and AI tools with just a few clicks. It's perfect for beginners. Descript has a slightly steeper learning curve because it edits videos like a document. You simply edit the transcript and the video updates automatically. It's unique but takes a little time to get used to. Winner, CapCut for beginners. AI features. Descript shines when it comes to AI-powered editing. It offers automatic transcription, text-based editing, filler word removal, AI voice cloning, eye contact correction, and studio-quality audio enhancement. CapCut also includes impressive AI features like auto captions, AI avatars, background removal, text-to-speech, AI video generation, and one-click social media templates. If your work involves podcasts, interviews, or YouTube talking head videos, Descript is the stronger option. For short form content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, CapCut is hard to beat. Pricing and best value. Both platforms offer free plans. CapCut's paid version is generally more affordable and unlocks premium templates, effects, and AI tools. Descript costs more, but you are paying for advanced editing, transcription, and professional audio features that many creators rely on. Final verdict. Choose Descript if you create podcasts, tutorials, interviews, or YouTube videos where audio quality and transcript editing matter. Choose CapCut if you mainly create short-form social media videos and want the fastest editing experience with plenty of AI-powered effects. Overall, Descript is better for professional content creators, while CapCut offers the best value for casual creators and social media users. If this comparison helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more AI tool reviews and comparisons. Share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching and goodbye.